Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream, and in this episode I am making the requested how to make cream cheese frosting without any powdered sugar. So, let's take a break and bake. All the ingredients in this video are in the description box down below, so go check those out, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and make this frosting. The first step to making this cream cheese frosting without powdered sugar is to put your mixing bowl into the freezer for a few minutes and to get it nice and cold. After those few minutes, you want to go ahead and take it out and add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and go ahead and whip that on high in your mixer. Once it has formed stiff peaks, then you can go ahead and stop mixing it. You know it has formed stiff peaks whenever you can see like the strands or the ribbons that the mixing attachment is making. Or you can also do this, which is what I do, is you can take the whisk and dip it into the heavy whipping cream, and if it forms a nice peak and the peak doesn't droop over at all, that's good. That's a nice stiff peak. And then once you get the stiff peaks, go ahead and put that in a separate bowl and go ahead and put that in the fridge. Now with that whipping cream in the fridge, go ahead and add in 10 ounces of cream cheese into your mixer, along with 3/4 cup of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now anyways, you want to go ahead and mix your cream cheese and sugar mixture. Now, the cream cheese I have here in Turkey is slightly different, so I'm using the whisk attachment. But for most cream cheeses, you can just go ahead and use the paddle attachment to mix these together. But however you mix them, now that it's all completely mixed and all those ingredients are well combined, go ahead and take your heavy cream out of the refrigerator and go ahead and add it into your cream cheese mixture. Because now it's time to mix it up. But be careful, because you don't actually want to mix it up. You want to fold this heavy whipping cream into the cream cheese. This is because the heavy whipping cream has some air bubbles that have been whipped into it, and by gently folding it, you can add that heavy whipping cream without destroying all those air bubbles. Due to my cream cheese being different, I add in some whipped cream stabilizer to this frosting. This just keeps it nice and thick and pipeable, and so if yours is a little loose, you might want to go ahead and add in some whipped cream stabilizer or whipped topping stabilizer. This just keeps it nice and thick. Whether you have to add that in or not, that is the finished product. This cream cheese frosting is so good, and I highly recommend this recipe, and thank you guys for requesting it. So if you have an idea that you want me to make, go ahead and comment it down below. Give this video a like and share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Click one of the 2 videos right here. YouTube recommends this top one. I recommend this bottom one. This is where I made just normal frosting without any powdered sugar. And click over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.